For connected services with your Audi, it's important to set up the key user. To start, download the My Audi app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Sign into your existing or create a new account, and you will be able to enter information about your vehicle. For step 1, you will be asked for your VIN number and vehicle code, which can be found on the Audi Connect activation card. Search the VIN and your vehicle should appear. Step 2, you will add a 4-digit PIN, and then select Dealer as your verification method and accept the Audi Key User Agreement. Call your Audi dealer to complete your identity verification. Once completed, you will see Identity Confirmed in the app. You are now ready to set the key user in the vehicle. Tap the user profile icon at the bottom left of the MMI screen. Then tap Add User. Enter the email address and password you set up for My Audi. You will then go through a series of authorization, privacy, and setup steps. You will be asked if you want to apply your My Audi PIN to the vehicle, create a custom PIN, or use no PIN for user login. You will then be asked to set up the Audi Assistant by deciding whether voice processing can use online resources for better results or stay local to the vehicle, and then whether to use the wake phrase, "Hey Audi," to engage with the assistant. After a few more prompts, there is just one final step. In the My Audi app, you should see a tab to connect My Audi and use Connect services. Here, you may need to input the vehicle code from the Audi Connect activation card one more time. The key user setup is now complete. If you experience any difficulty with setup, please contact Digital Business Support at 1-800-822-2834.